In this video, I'll show you how to close and delete a Cash App account. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. Open Cash App and make sure your balance is zero by tapping your balance, selecting Withdraw, and transferring any remaining funds to your linked bank account. Once your balance is cleared, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, scroll down and select Support. In the search bar, type Close Account, then tap Close your Cash App account and press Confirm to permanently delete it. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.